Hi everyone, welcome to another quick session. Here we will discuss three classic security models which are very important for the CAESSP exam. So we will try to understand and also try to memorize some important points related to these models which might help us to answer questions in the CAESSP exam if there is any. Um, Let's talk about Bell-LaPadula model. So Bell-LaPadula model, what we need to understand, this is for confidentiality. So the important point is that no read up and no write down. So now let's discuss few more important points related to this model. If we talk about Bell-LaPadula model, we may see security simple security rule. So that means no read up. So if we see simple security rule, no read up. So another is star property. Star property, if we see, that means no write down. And strong star, so you are only allowed to read and write only at same level. Okay, so confidentiality, Bell-LaPadula, right? We need to map in our mind. So what Bell-LaPadula security model is, it ensures confidentiality and it does not allow to read upper level and so can't read higher classified data. So the data is classified, right? So the read up we classify, let's say uh, we always classify our data, right, in company. So we can't read higher classified data. So can't make any uh, change in lower data if it is a secret. So that is important thing which we should know. The next one is Biba. It ensures integrity, no read down. So these are, if you see, these are the opposite. So here no read up, here no read down. So how we can, and no write down, and here no write up. So this is how you can remember it for the CASSP exam. So in Biba, can't read lower integrity data and can't corrupt higher data. The third one is Clark-Wilson model, commercial integrity. We will also discuss some layman example for all these models. So here, for instance, commercial access only trusted programs, no direct change to the critical data. So now we will discuss all those layman examples. So we discuss all these models. Um, as a layman how we see them. So if we talk about confidentiality, Bell-LaPadula model, it is most of time it is used in military offices, and a private cannot read top secret files, no read up. right? A general cannot write top secret info into public report, no write down. So keywords trigger an exam, classified secret. So so it is used in most of time in military. I haven't seen any use case in commercial commercial environment in commercial companies. So in private companies. So Biba model integrity prevent data corruption. Think who is allowed to change data, right? So all rules are, as we have here seen, they are uh, opposite of Bell-LaPadula model, right? So here no read up, here no read down, here no read down, here no write down, here no write up. Uh, so accountant system, an internee cannot update the official financial ledger. A CEO should not copy random numbers from unverified Excel. So accuracy and integrity. It talks about corruption, right? So it talk about the accuracy, right? So okay, so Clark Wilson model integrity plus business rules to prevent fraud. This prevent frauds as well as unauthorized changes. Unauthorized changes it prevents. For instance, if it talks about prevent fraud, user never touch critical data directly. All changes go through the approved change. As we all know that in big organization, when you make any change in the infrastructure level or in your data or in your software, then this should always go through the CAP change advisory board. You should get an approval if you want to perform the change. So this also ensures separation of duty. Audit trails, then you have an audit trail if you make any change in your environment. So you have a proper audit trail. So this ensures Wilson ensures integrity. Um, it is for, we can also say, commercial integrity, right? So the core idea, user never touch critical data, as we discussed directly. Always go through the approved program. Key terms, CDI constrained data items must recognize the key terms, but we must recognize CDI constrained data items, important data, unconstrained data items, input, transformation procedures, approved programs. So these are the key terms which we should know for the CASSP exam. Integrity verification procedures. So best example could be banking system. What user cannot do directly edit account balance in database, open database and type €1,000 or $1,000 plus. What user can do, use ATM, use bank app, use approved software, right? So it goes through the appropriate approved system. So how it works, user enters amount, approved banking app processes it, check balances, balance is updated when you withdraw money, right? So that balance is updated in the database. So this is a approved process, right? Logs are created, another person's system verifies separation of duty. So this prevent fraud even by insiders. So key triggers outside as well as inside. Fraud prevention, separation of duty, well-formed transaction auditing, and that is called Clock Wilson model. Star versus strong. A star Bell-LaPadula model, simple property, no read up. Star property, no read down. Strong star, read and write only at same level. So I think these are the quick important uh, important points for all these three models. So if you see any question related to those models, I hope this information would help you to answer question. Thank you so much for watching this session. If you have any question or feedback, please share in the feedback section.